Let us study chemistry together with CBSE chemistry tips and tricks.
Determine the empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has 69.9% iron and 30.1% oxygen by mass. For doing the empirical formula question, you must know this table. First column, element. Which are the elements? Here we have iron and oxygen. Second, percentage. Second column, percentage. See, for iron, what is the percentage? 69.9%, and for oxygen it is 30.1%. Now, third column is atomic mass. Okay, for iron, you can either use 56 or 55.85 exactly. Now, oxygen is what? 16, right? Now, next column, it is percentage by atomic mass. Okay, so percentage is what? For iron, it is 69.9 divided by 55.85, and for oxygen, it is 30.1 by 16. Okay, on calculating, we will get 1.251, and for the oxygen we will be getting 1.88. Okay, 1.251 and 1.88. Next one is simple ratio. Simple ratio. Next column, simple ratio. For that purpose, what you have to do? In these two numbers, okay, which one is small number? Small number is 1.251, right? So divide both number with the smallest number. It is like this: 1.251 by 1.251 and 1.88 by 1.251. On calculating, what we will get? We will get 1 here and here, approximately very close value of 1.5. See, remember, if you are getting like 1.49, go for 1.5. If you are getting 1.51, go for 1.5. Okay, now last column, it is whole number ratio. Whole number ratio. Okay, see, if in the second last column, that is simple ratio column, if you are not getting a whole number, multiply with appropriate number to get a whole number. So I am going to multiply both numbers with 2. Okay, so you will be getting 3 and here 2. See, this is already a whole number, okay, 1. But here this is not a whole number, 1.5. So we are supposed to make the second number, 1.5, a whole number. For that purpose, you have to multiply with an appropriate number. So we choose 2. With the same number, you have to multiply the other number also. You have to multiply 1 also with the same number. So we got 2 and 3. So empirical formula is what? Fe₂O₃, and that is our final answer. You can see, right? Fe is 2 and oxygen is 3, and empirical formula is Fe₂O₃.